to know that the watermelon is ready. So close by the stem there are tendrils, and once that turns brown, your watermelon is ready. And so another sign, if you knock it, you'll hear a hollow noise, and that also means that your watermelon is ready. How to know when to harvest corn. So how you know is you put your hand around it and you could see it's big enough. And once the husk or the hair is drying out or also falling out. So we're gonna harvest it now. Whoa. It's wet. How to know how to harvest Swiss chard. So how you know is because of the big leaves like this one or this one, but you can't harvest the little leaves like that one, and that one. So how to harvest it is you cut from the bottom, just to let you know. From the bottom. And see how these are really strong and they're really big? So those are the perfect ones to be harvested. How to know how to harvest potatoes. So how to know is once you see the leaves starting to dry out and also turning like this, and also turning yellow and wilting. So and also once you dig through like the potato, like right here, you're going to dig deep and you're going to find the potatoes. So you want it at least this big or this big, but not small. Okay. Oh, wait, what? There's a potato right there? Oh, it's small yet. It's small yet. So let's find another potato if we can. Sometimes you have to dig pretty deep, like this one. I'm going to see right next to it, because sometimes right next to it you can find some potatoes, and some are really deep, so have to be careful. Okay, let's try a different spot, maybe here. Only got one out of this. What? Right in front of me.
It's green.
It's green. Green is a bad sign. You gotta wait for it to turn. Oh. Wow, guys, this is so big. Ay, ay, ay. Didn't even expect a big one coming out of the ground. Ay, ay, ay. Can it? Ay, ay. Whoa. Seems like a big one, guys. Well, this is deep in there. Hey, yeah, it's good I checked here. Wait, there's another one. Ay, ay, ay. Gotta get this one out. Oh, perfect. Look how big this is. These are my potatoes. They're so big. How to harvest snow peas and snap peas. So this one's a good size. This one has to wait just a little bit more. This one's kind of old, but you could also get the peas in it. So this one's a good one. This one will take the peas out of this one. This one's a good one too. Oops. Sometimes they come off easily. Look at that one. That's humongous. Ay, ay, ay. This one's really old, but you could probably use it. Just probably scrape that end off. There's another big one. Another big one. Wait. Oh, there's a caterpillar. How to know when to harvest your winter squash. So there's a couple of ways that you can know. First, it turns dark and it's big, and also because it's a little bit hairy. And also on the stem is hardened and it looks like wood. And also the leaves dry out around it. Leave a little bit of stem, like kind of like an inch. You could do up to here. And if there's a leaf in the way, just cut it out. Whoa! This is our harvest, and we're gonna head to the kitchen.